Hi everybody and welcome to your Ornament Girl foam marking tutorial. My name is Kennedy and in this video I'll be showing you how to mark a 3-inch soft foam ball into 12 equal segments without any measuring at all. The first thing you're going to want to do is check out the link directly below this video to access your free download, and you want to print out this downloadable template, which are the strips for dividing Ornament Girl soft foam balls into 12 segments. Once you print out this template, go ahead and cut out one of these strips along the dotted lines. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is use my pen to darken the equator, which is this mold line running around the center of the ball where the top and the bottom half meet. It's not totally necessary to mark this line, but I like to mark it so that I can see it a little more clearly as I'm working. And once you've located that equator, we are going to put our strip right on top of that equator line. So I'm laying the short end of my strip centered right over that equator. And I'm just going to use one of my ornament making satin straight pins to pin the end of that template in place. And now you're going to wrap this strip all the way around the ball, keeping it centered over the equator to the best of your ability. And when you return to the starting point, you are going to pin that end in place again. And now you're going to use your pen to make dash marks in line with each of these lines on the template. So starting at the point where your template starts and stops, you're going to make a little dash mark above and below the template, and then continue that all the way around, making a dash mark above and below the paper strip, directly in line with each of these dark dash marks on the paper template. Once you've made marks in line with each of those segments on the template, you're going to remove the pins and take that template off of your foam. And now we have these little dash marks marking the sections, the 12 sections around our ball, and we just need to connect those lines all the way across the foam to bring those segments all the way up to the poles. So what you're going to do here is use your flexible tape measure as a straight edge, and you're going to line up two opposite marks across the foam. So I have the long edge of my tape measure in line with this dash mark. I'm coming straight over the edge of the foam, right through the top center of the ball, and down to the exact opposite set of dash marks on the other side. And then you're just going to use your flexible tape measure as a straight edge to draw that line connecting the sets of opposite dash marks. And you're going to do this all the way around the ball until you have all 6 sets of opposite dash marks connected. Once you have connected all of those lines, you now have one half of your ball divided into 12 equal segments, and this point where all of the segment lines converge is showing you the pole marking, which is the center of this side of your ball. Now all you need to do is flip your ball over and repeat the same steps to connect the opposite dash marks on the second half. Once you have connected all of your lines on both sides of the ball, your foam ball is marked into 12 segments and you're ready to begin creating your ornament. If you have any questions at all about this tutorial or the free template included below, be sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy ornamenting!